Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. So we're down here at the lake and we're going to take this thing off-road. Come along with me for the ride. I'm going to put it in drive, take it down the boat ramp, then we're going to come back around over here and go off-road. This is in a 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. We're going to put this into 4 high. Cameras are really doing a great job. All right, switch it to neutral. Switch this into 4 low. We are now in 4 low. Let's put it in drive. You can see what it looks like on the Trailhunter. It shows you the left side, the right side, what's directly in front of you automatically. You can see the tilt of the truck there and over here on the dash. All right, let's turn off the stabilizer disconnect. Stabilizer disconnect is off. Got some Jeep people up here. We're going to take it around over through here and go back over there. All right, let's put on the lock and rear differential. All right, let's see if this drone will follow us this time. All right, let's see if that drone will catch us. What a view. All right, we're in 4 low. Like I said, we haven't even tried crawl control yet, but we are on multi-train select right now with mud. Who's returning home? Alright, so it landed over there. Let's go over here and get it. And it landed perfectly. Wife was wanting some Jersey mocks, so I guess we're gonna pack it up and get out of here. Oh, if I was in any other truck, oh yeah, I wouldn't have made that. That is a gorgeous view. All right, here we go. And it is a little muddy because it rained here a day or two ago. Last time I chickened out and went over that way. This time I'm going to just go right through it. There we go. Oh yeah, I can feel that sway bar disconnect. All right, here we go. Give it some speed. Let's go. There it goes. No problem. Any other one, you could do that in the car for sure. Any other truck, I have high doubts on it. But you could have made that. So we'll come up here, we'll pack up our stuff, and we'll go get some Jersey mocks. That's what I'm talking about. I think I'm going to take a shortcut over here. Might as well, we're in a trail hunter. So let's return back. You can see my sway bar disconnect is off. My lock and rear diff is on, so take the lock and rear diff off. We're going to switch it to neutral. Okay, you put that in too high, we're in neutral. There it goes. 4-low went off. I am now in too high. We can now head to the house. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time.